Hello everyone and welcome to the video. In this video I am going to share some updates regarding the Edusearch project. Let me start my server and share updates with you. So let us see what are the updates. So on the front end part you can see a minor update as buttons. I have updated the buttons, and then the second update which I have made is this loader. So first of all it was not that good, I think. So now it is showing item no longer available. It shows that the item is no longer available on Udemy. Let us test it. I will go to Udemy and we will check it. So as you can see, the item course is no longer available on Udemy. So our app is now able to fetch real-time data, and if the course is no longer available on Udemy, it will not show you the course. Because if it shows you the course, there is no use, because if the course doesn't exist on Udemy, then there is no use of the coupon also. So that is the second update, and for the third update I will be using just any existing URL. So so the third update is this form. I have updated the search form and the button also. So now the search bar is looking much better than before. And the fourth update is regarding the coupons. So now coupons will only return you 6 coupons, because more than 6 coupons are not required, as the coupon are expired after 1000 redemptions. So I will be limiting these coupons to 2 or 3 max, because the coupons are expired already, and the 4, 5, 6 coupon are useless. And the coupons are sorted in the order such that the latest coupon is at the top and the oldest coupon is at the bottom. So let us see the latest coupon. So it is showing rupees 700. Let us see the third coupon. So these both are showing 700, because both the coupons are expired after 1000 redemptions. Let us see some real-time coupon, okay, which is updated recently. So now let me show you another example of real-time update. So the courses are updated daily 24/7, and they are expired after 1000 redemption. So let us see the first coupon. So this is showing you free, and let us see the second coupon. So this is showing you 700. So the coupon are sorted in the most latest one and the oldest one in the decreasing order. So now let us see the updates which are made to the bot. So I will hit the start command. So after hitting the start command, we get the response message. So it shows the YouTube link and some instructions. After completing the deployment, I will update the link to the YouTube video, and let's just I have entered the search command, and let us see what response we get. So because I have not entered any URL, so it is asking for a valid URL. So now let us search for Python. So because this is also not a valid URL, so it is asking for a valid URL. Let us see if we can do search from google.com. So as you can see, this only takes Udemy URLs. So let us search the item which is no longer available on Udemy. So let's just send the URL to the bot, and so it is working perfectly fine. It is showing that course is no longer available on Udemy, and we have verified that by going to this URL already. Now let us search for some coupon that are actually working. This course is updated recently, so as we tested on our web app, let us test the first coupon. So congratulations, you got your first free course and it is available for 4 days. And now let us test the another coupon. So this coupon is expired, that is why it is like only the one coupon is working. So whenever you apply the coupon, always try to apply from the top, because the coupons are arranged in decreasing order. That means the new latest coupon is on the top. So I hope that you like the updates on this project, and the next update is going to be a major one, so it can take some time for this project. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel.